In this example, I want to show another practical use case for MultiBrief. This workflow is designed for property managers completing routine rental inspections. During an inspection, there can be a lot to capture while walking through the property. Room observations, maintenance concerns, tenant-reported issues, photos, and follow-up items. The challenge is turning those inspection notes into clear owner communication and internal follow-up after the inspection is finished. That can take time, and it is easy for small follow-up items to get missed. For this demo, I am uploading one inspection recording into MultiBrief. Once I submit it, the workflow organizes the inspection into structured notes and separates what is suitable for the owner from what is needed internally by the agency team. It only uses what was actually stated during the inspection, and it does not assume or invent. In this example, the workflow has created two separate emails. One is an owner-facing inspection update, written in a calm and professional tone. The other is an internal property manager follow-up summary focused on the practical next steps for the agency team. That separation is important because the owner gets a clean, client-friendly update, while the property manager gets the action list they need to manage the follow-up. By the time the property manager is ready to review, the hard work has already been done. MultiBrief has taken the inspection transcript, organized the walkthrough details, and prepared two draft emails. The owner-facing inspection update and the internal follow-up summary are ready in the inbox for review. From there, the property manager can check the details, make any final changes, and send clearer follow-up communication with confidence. So instead of rebuilding the inspection from scratch, the repetitive admin has already been organized in the background. That is the kind of work MultiBrief is designed to help reduce.